Why choose waxing over shaving? Discuss the benefits of waxing compared to shaving, like longer-lasting results, smoother skin, and reduced hair growth over time. 2. Pre-waxing skin preparation tips. Share how to prepare the skin before waxing, including exfoliation, moisturizing, and avoiding certain products. 3. Understanding hair growth cycles. Explain how waxing aligns with hair growth cycles to ensure a cleaner and longer-lasting finish. 4. Choosing the right wax for your skin. Provide tips on selecting hard wax, soft wax, or sugar wax based on skin sensitivity and hair thickness. 5. Step-by-step guide to bikini waxing at home. Create a tutorial walking beginners through the waxing process safely and effectively. 6. Common waxing mistakes to avoid. Highlight typical beginner errors, like using wax that's too hot or pulling strips incorrectly, and how to fix them. 7. Pain reduction hacks. Waxing. Share tips for minimizing pain, such as using numbing creams, breathing techniques, and applying pressure after pulling. 8. Post-waxing skincare routine. Guide viewers on post-wax care, including soothing aloe vera, avoiding tight clothing, and steering clear of swimming pools. 9. DIY waxing kits for beginners. Review and recommend the best beginner-friendly waxing kits available on the market. 10. Budget-friendly waxing alternatives. Discuss affordable alternatives, like homemade sugar wax, and how they compare to store-bought products. 11. Natural remedies for skin irritation. Suggest natural remedies, like tea tree oil, coconut oil, or calendula cream to treat redness or bumps post-wax. 12. The science behind waxing. Delve into how waxing works by removing hair from the follicle and why it slows regrowth compared to shaving. 13. Waxing for different skin types. Provide guidance for individuals with sensitive, oily, or dry skin on how to adapt their waxing routine. 14. Addressing ingrown hairs. Share how to prevent and treat ingrown hairs, including exfoliation techniques and products to use. 15. Myths and facts about waxing. Debunk common misconceptions, like waxing makes hair grow back thicker or you can't wax sensitive skin. 16. Best time to wax for beginners. Talk about when to wax, for example, hair length, skin sensitivity during menstruation to get the best results. 17. Maintaining smooth skin post-wax. Provide advice on prolonging smoothness, like applying moisturizers, avoiding heat, and wearing loose clothing. 18. Waxing versus professional spa treatments. Compare the pros and cons of DIY waxing versus getting waxed by a professional. 19. Boost your confidence before waxing. Share tips for first-timers feeling nervous, like setting the right mood and knowing what to expect. 20. Eco-friendly waxing options. Discuss environmentally friendly waxes and reusable strips for sustainable beauty practices. 21. Waxing during seasons. Talk about how the skin's needs change in summer versus winter and how to adapt your waxing routine. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.